Damn, the fucking T-Bird looks pretty wild with these fucking spokes, yo. Brand new fat whites. Damn. Gotta install the other side. Damn. God damn. I said god damn. He has the center caps. Old skunk. God damn. These fat white walls and shit just look good on everything, I guess. This era of vehicle, anyway. T-Birds came with spokes similar to these. Very much so. The Kelsey Hayes. These are true spokes, but same deal. It won't have that scoop or anything like that. It's gonna have the original hood. That's just for storage purposes. It's a bitch to do this, kind of, but it's done. I had to modify where the fucking column mounts because of the other new frame for the clip. The angle of the modern power steering that's in front of the rack is more like a 30-degree angle, and the original angle of the car is really pronounced. So, but it's done. Bitches mount it. Looks good. That shit in the middle is missing. Maybe you can just put a fucking tachometer. Hell yeah. But I did wire all the lights that come on those clocks for the dashboard. I'm gonna run the switch here where it belongs, and I gotta put those gauges down there, but more or less it's gonna look gold. Putting that. I'm gonna look all over the trunk, see where that metal shit's missing. Looks pretty decent. I'm gonna look all over the trunk, see where that metal shit's missing. Looks pretty decent. Damn, I didn't realize this foot got the fucking sick dash cover with the AC delete. Ain't gonna have all the bullshit there. She's gonna look clean. Alright. Looking way better. For shizzle. And to get the latch or make a latch for that shit, for the glove box to hold, because I just put a wire to the inside to hold it. Alright, so that fucking panel trim, I found that it goes there, and then this top piece goes right here. And I'm missing this side one, like the other side, like that one, for here. It'll be somewhere in here, hopefully. But I fucking need a 58 260 T-Bird for parts, maybe. I'm glad we fucking, I figured out this fucking vent trim once I fucking tuck it in and put the bolts. I'll suck that dashboard in and it'll be golden, no gap. And those holes cut into it where the vents, so feet breathe when it's the air conditioning and all that. Took me a while to figure that shit out, and I found it in the bottom of the fucking truck, so that's good.